Hey everyone, in this quick video, I will show you how to change the currency in your Skrill account using the exchange feature. Let's get started. First of all, log into your Skrill account using your email and password. On the dashboard, look for the exchange option. This allows you to convert your balance into a different currency. Select the currency you want to convert to. Enter the amount you'd like to exchange and review the displayed exchange rate and fees. If everything looks good, click Confirm to complete the exchange. You can also try to contact their contact support, and that's it. You have successfully changed your balance to a different currency using Skills Exchange feature. If this helped, give us a thumbs up and subscribe for more quick tips.